In today's fast-paced design environment, efficiency isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're managing large assemblies or refining intricate subsystems, selective loading in SOLIDWORKS design empowers engineers to work smarter, not harder. Working with large assemblies can be challenging. The only way to have the total context of your design is to open all the parts you don't need in order to work on just the parts you do need. But what if you could start in a lightweight browser application and choose only what you wanted to work on? With selective loading, you can graphically select only the parts and subassemblies you need to work on, completely independent of the underlying CAD structure, and save the selection as a filtered view. In SOLIDWORKS Design, instead of waiting for every component, mate, and reference to load, you can surgically open just the parts you selected and begin designing right away. This reduces open times and allows you to start designing faster with a lean and responsive workflow. It doesn't stop there. Need to isolate a specific system within your design? Filter by custom properties, maturity states, or even volumes to quickly zero in on relevant components. Once filtered, these selections can be assigned to a task, ensuring efficient design communication. This targeted approach eliminates the noise and lets you work with precision. Finally, selective loading supports the creation of filters that can represent different variations of your design and can be saved, reused, and even released as part of your design documentation. These filters act as a curated view of your assembly and can be referenced directly by drawings. This means your documentation stays accurate and aligned with the exact representation you intended. Selective loading isn't just a convenience, it's a strategic tool for modern design. By enabling focused access, intelligent filtering, and built-in governance, selective loading ensures your assemblies work for you, not the other way around.